Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Konica Minolta Premier Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Konica Minolta Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now you need your username or your email to log in, so type in your username. Now if you click here, you are saving the information on your browser, or you can leave it as it was. Now you can choose your preferred language. Here I am choosing English. Now click on next, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Konica Minolta Premier Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.